Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Flexafen, a natural supplement that promises to relieve chronic joint pain effectively and safely. If you suffer from inflammation, morning stiffness, sore knees, or any joint discomfort, watch this video to the end. Flexafen may be the natural solution you've been looking for to improve your quality of life and alleviate these annoyances. But what exactly is Flexafen and how does it work? Well, in short, Flexafen is a capsule supplement made with super powerful ingredients like curcumin, ginger, resveratrol, and many others. Curcumin is great for controlling inflammation in the joints, which causes that annoying pain and stiffness. Ginger acts as a natural analgesic, bringing relief to discomfort. Resveratrol is an antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. This helps reduce wear and tear on cartilage. In addition, Flexafen also contains glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and other key nutrients to rebuild cartilage and improve joint lubrication. When you take the supplement regularly, it starts acting from the inside out in your body, reducing inflammation, protecting joints, and relieving chronic pain. This way, you can resume movements much more lightly and without that unpleasant friction sensation in the joints. Flexafen's ingredients also help the body produce more collagen and elastin, substances that serve as the foundation for bones, tendons, and cartilage. This makes the joints more flexible and resistant to micro-lesions from repetitive motions and impacts. With this, you reduce the risk of developing osteoarthritis and other joint wear and tear in the future. Flexafen acts on the root of the problem. And unlike most anti-inflammatories, Flexafen is 100% natural and has no side effects. You can use it for months on end safely. In addition, it does not mask symptoms like traditional anti-inflammatories. Flexafen treats the causes of chronic pain safely. And the results come quickly. Many users report significant improvements in the first week of use. Pain decreases and mobility increases. To guarantee your satisfaction, Flexafen also offers a 1-year guarantee. That is, you have 1 year to test the product. Don't like it? Ask for a refund. But remember, the original only on the official website. Avoid counterfeit products. The link to purchase will be down below. Well guys, I hope this information helps you relieve joint pain naturally with Flexafen. Leave your comment and share. Big hug.